Hello everyone. In this short presentation, I want to explain how do you collaborate on Microsoft document. So we are using the Microsoft Word. This is a tutorial under the Microsoft Word for collaborating within the document. So basically what we do with the Word document is that, sometimes we need to make some changes as a part of a developing a project plan or making some write-ups, writing the thesis, everything. So then you want to sometimes you want to do a discussion around the document and you want to keep all parties comments suggestions well documented. At the same time, sometimes you want to track what are the changes you have done. So that is the collaboration around the Microsoft Word, and there are ways to accomplish that within the Word itself. You don't have to go outside the Word and run a parallel discussion, which is not very clean because then you have to attach a copy of the Microsoft document for each discussion within the email, and that will get out of the track. So we are learning how can we do a collaboration within Microsoft Word uh, using Microsoft Word's own features. The tab that is of importance in this case is the review tab. So you have to click on the review. So when you do the review, you will see all kind of reviewing information around here. So first of all, the comment section, this section actually keeps track of users' comments. So you are collaborating with the Microsoft Doc and you have multiple users who are reviewing the doc. So everyone can create a comment, right? So let's say I want to create a comment here. I can say that let's say I select certain part and try to create a comment. So let me create the header and select the header, and like I am saying that change the header. Okay. And then I submit the comment, posting the comment basically. So then, I can create multiple comments. Let's say I do. Um, so here, what is happening? I am creating another comment. Let's say I am just selecting the entire document and say um, create create the document in a different format. Okay, so I put that remark as well, and then somebody else or myself can reply to it, uh, right? Like it is okay. Don't need to take any action. So basically, you can see here that we are doing some conversation within the Word regarding whatever uh, Word document we are creating and working on. So here I am selecting the entire paragraph and I am saying that make it a two column document. Okay, so then I enter. Now what happens here? Whenever I navigate through the document again, let me save the document first. Let's say I'm saving it on my PC. So let's say some folder. Okay. So let's say I'm saving it at my downloads folder. I saved it for clarity, and then you can see that if I select, I mean, if I go here, I can see the real comments there. These comments, I mean, these are for this particular word. I mean, this comment, it is in the pink, purple sign. And this one is also for the word section. Let me do another example, like the header I'm choosing, and then I create a new comment for the header. I can say change the header to a more meaningful title. I mean, this is example. So you can see that this comment is created, and then as you navigate through the document, as you click on the header, you will see that there is a comment related to that. So let's say somebody comes in and they, uh, I mean, you can go to the previous comment. You can do it here. I mean, click on the previous. I mean, that's the way you can do all the iterate over all the comments, and you can do the next as well. You can delete a comment. In fact, let's say we want to delete this whole comment, so then we can do delete. So then this comment is no longer there, it is deleted. Now so these are the function of the comments. Now you can see that I make some changes here, collaborating on a Microsoft Word on a document in Microsoft Word. Um, let's say I'm making it collaborating uh, with Microsoft Word. So then what do I need to do there? So when we do the collaborating with Microsoft Word, I changed it, and then I say that I save it, and then I say that um, here reply changed, please review. Okay, so then I post it. Now the user comes in and they review it, and then they suppose they accept it, this review, and then you can do accept and move to the next, or accept just you can do accept and move to the next. So you see there are not any tracked statement on your document. So that is a problem. So what do you do for that? Um, for that, actually, we have to track the changes. So you can say track for everyone. You can say track for mine. Let's say track for everyone I do. So you want to start tracking the changes. Okay. So this is what you get. And then you can see that create a reviewing pane for the tracking. So these are the four revisions. Left hand side, you can see four revisions are created. So you can clearly see that I mean these four revisions are tracked by the word. Then let's say I'm just clicking on this one, uh, this comment, and then I am accepting this document. Accept and move to the next. So I accept it. What is going on here? There is no track changes, it says. So I click on the track changes, and then for everyone, and then I make some changes here. Let's say I'm doing um, test. Uh, that is something I'm keep changing, or I can do. Let's say instead of Microsoft Word, I'm writing MS Word. So basically, I'm tracking these changes. So you can see that there is a scratch mark, and I mean this is the one which was before, and now it is after. And let's save it, and then you can see that I made these changes, got it, and then I made this. So let's say I want to accept the change, so I come here, and then I can say accept and move to the next. So this is the next. then I can accept this one. I'm accepting it. So now let's say this change, next change, the on, I'm rejecting the change. So I can do reject change. So I'm not agreeing with that, so I'm rejecting those changes. So that way, you can keep on tracking the changes and keep track of all the all the events that is happening. You can also like compare the document, two versions of the document. So let's say original document, let's say we put it like this one. Uh, the original document and revised document. I mean, you can find it the original one and the revised one here. So basically, you can see that you can do it compare here, and you can see that using the comments and tracking buttons, tracking panes, you can track the changes and insert the comments and do the reviews there. So this is all. I mean, this is I mean most of the things that we can do as far as the collaboration with the within the Microsoft Word. Now at the end you can delete all resolved comments. Let's say I do. Um, so you can see here some comments got deleted. Now let's see, we come here and then we can say I accept it, and then let me delete it, this resolved comment. So, or I can delete the all documents, all comments in the document. So you can see that all comments are deleted here. Now here, um, you can see this is the change that I have made, and you can say accept this change. So then you can see clearly that the document has got modified, and then the user, whoever the users involved, they can keep track of the document and make the necessary changes. So that's all I wanted to share today. So go through the examples, create your own example, and go through some tracking experience and commenting experience, and try to find out different features on these these panes, like comments, tracking, and also take a look at proofing. I mean, all these other different different panes within the Microsoft Word to explore the features of this tool. Okay, thank you. Talk to you later. Have a nice day.